What's going on, you guys? Here we are today with the family in IKEA.
So today we're just shopping. You doing this?
Yeah,
right.
I'm doing it.
We're just shopping around, getting ready for the first house. Let's go through IKEA.
Let's go.
We just finished cooking, and that was actually a great time. We made a tomato.
It was like a tomato
Wasn't that good.
salad thing.
Wasn't that good?
It was awful.
At the moment, we are lost and can't find our family. This is also a tutorial on how to get kicked out of IKEA. All right, kitchen. Cooking part 2, cooking vlog.
Here, put some music on.
Cold waters, boys.
This is a real thing and it
Yeah.
actually opened.
Okay. Should we find another kitchen to vlog in?
Yeah.
Just kidding. So right now we're actually just heading to find a new kitchen because that one sucked. All right, it's really crowded. You know, we all have that little like vlogger like, I don't want to be vlogging in a public place because that's embarrassing. But you know what? You just got to get rid of that fear and go for your dreams. Go for your dreams. You want to vlog for a little bit, Eve?
Sure.
Hold it.
Don't break my phone.
Yo, okay, so here.
Follow the arrows, boys.
Reagan found a card.
Follow the arrows.
Follow the arrows. Just looking around for more houses.
I have spotted a new kitchen.
New kitchen.
Check what we got for ingredients in here.
I'm gonna look in here.
Kitchen without ingredients is
Hey, mine.
Kitchen at all.
not a kitchen at all.
You vlog. I don't want to go anymore.
In this house, we don't even use the couch. We just put pillows there for decoration. Because who actually likes to sit on the couch, right? Bob Wall, Paul Wall house. We're actually looking for a really nice kitchen because at the moment we can't find one. Actually, we found one and we started cooking, and now we can't find a good one. Where are you at? You are right. We are here to shop. So where are you? Bookcases. We'll catch you guys in bookcases and shelving. See you later. Single file on the path. Single on the path. Becca on the path. Alright guys, we're here with our kitchen vlog now. So we're just gonna vlog the kitchen on what we're gonna cook. We got lots of ingredients in the fridge, just gonna see what we got in there. At the moment, what are we cooking with, guys? What are we cooking
orange.
with? Got the orange, alright. A potato. Alright, so what's the dish we're making in?
Well, there's a soup recipe over there, so I'm feeling like that's maybe a good option.
Soup recipe. Where's that soup recipe? Here we
Apple
go.
and cheddar. I
So
wish I
squash,
could
apple, and cheddar. We have squash, apple, and cheddar. You know, we can substitute that for some potato, maybe. Yeah, I mean, that's good. Otherwise, we got like quick zucchini roast. Alright, guys, we gotta start cooking.
No, give me the cutting board.
What is that?
Where's the knife?
Wait, we don't even need this. What was in the recipe again?
Squash and lemon, squash, apple, and cheddar. We have squash, apple, and cheddar. You know, we can substitute that.
This
Apple?
kind of looks like squash.
You know, that's good enough. That's okay.
Here you go. You know, just saute it.
Don't forget your protection. And then to finish it off, we'll have some pear juice. Hey guys, we can always steal our ingredients from our neighbors over there.
Let's go.
Now kids, stealing is a crime, but not if you need it really badly. What do we got, Becca? Anything over here? Just ransacking IKEA? How we doing, Eve? How we doing?
Good.
Just cooking that squash potato?
Sorry, pardon me. Oh, there was knives in here all along. I'm trying to find a zester for the lime. Who has chopsticks in their house?
Hey,
Like,
this house.
I just want a zester. Is that too much?
Alright guys, looks to me like we got the recipe here. Squash, apple, and cheddar soup. Success, family. Success. Can we get a thumbs
It's a
up?
milk frother.
See you guys later. Single file, single file, single file. Hey, make that line tight, single file. On the path, follow the arrows, just the arrows. We got a roadblock in our way. Like a single file.
Single file.
Single file, boys. Do you ever get the feeling of deja vu around here? I'm gonna hurt you if you keep stepping on me. We've just secured the family's location. Here we go. What's the sitch, Mom?
Hi. I was.
Computer and your desk.
Dad, get that out of your nose.
What? What?
Okay, go. No, like no, like look to the left with just your eyes. Look to the left, Reagan.
I'm looking to the
To
left.
the very left. There we go.
Reading Algot Och Achi. Algot Och Achi. Looks at Narnar drag in that flat Shrek Slapja for Alan Holly. Water, that's deep and that chance. You say, Jen Ham Jan Bix Salvage Achi. That's fast. Daarvan Sinjong Mulmad Algot. Wat Zadu, Linkaz Achi. Fish.
What's going on in this story?
Drowning. That was Algot Och Achi. Oh, didn't see you there. Turns out we forgot an outro. So, I'll see you later. Catch you in the next vlog. Alright, you can always edit it all, right?
Right, of course.
So, like, even right now where we're having this conversation, we can edit it out.
Or we can put it in.
Or to